Hello, guys. Welcome to Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. I'm Eric, and today we're going through Lesson 3 of our preliminary Spanish lessons. Our topic for today is cardinal numbers from 0 to 100. Here are the topics we're going to cover for this lecture. First, I'll teach you how to count from 0 to 100, but divide it into the 4 parts. 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 30 to 100. Then we'll make a summary of Spanish numbers. At the end, I'll give you some in-class exercises to tell you how to apply Spanish numbers in sentences. Let's get started. Section 3.1 Numbers 0 to 10. Let's learn how to count from 0 to 10 in Spanish. Please repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's learn how to count from 0 to 10 in French. Please repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's move on to section 3.2. Numbers 11 to 20. Let's count from 11 to 20 in Spanish. Please repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's count from 11 to 20 in French. Please repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, we'll cover numbers 21 to 30. See you in the next video.